Alrighty, let's do one last example of a systems of equations word problem. Let's do this one, question number 2. There are 28 tables for customers at Mesa Grill Restaurant. The tables are either 2-seat tables or 4-seat tables. Okay, so let's pause there. We have the total number of tables is equal to 28, right? But then they just broke them up into two different categories, that they're either 2-seat tables or 4-seat tables. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the variable t to represent the number of 2-seat tables, and I'm going to use f to represent the number of 4-seat tables. Okay? So let's just do that. We know that the total number of 2-seat tables plus the total number of 4-seat tables is equal to 28. So far, so good. Then it says, when all the tables are full, there will be 90 customers in the restaurant. Okay, so now let's think about this. What that's going to get us to is the number of customers. How would we figure out, with the tables being full, it would look something like this. Well, if we do each two-seat table can fit 2 people, so the total number of 2-seat tables times 2 would be equal to the number of customers that could sit at that table, right? Plus 4 people for every one of the F tables, and if we add up those total number of people, we end up getting 90. Hopefully everybody sees that. Pause the video for a moment if that's confusing to you. Okay, but moving on here. Then the question is, how many 2-seat tables are at the restaurant? So we're trying to figure out T, which means we want to eliminate F. That shouldn't be too terribly bad. Looks like an easy way to do that would be, remember, when we add the columns together, we want the one that we don't want, which in this case is the F. We want those two to add together to make 0, to cancel off, which right now if we did, they wouldn't. F plus 4F would just be 5F. But if I multiply this entire top part here by -4, look what happens. I'm going to rewrite it down below here in the red. We get -4t minus 4f is equal to, that times -4 is, what is this going to be? I can do this. 80 plus 32 is 112, so -112. Check me on a calculator, but that should be correct. Then we have, on the bottom, 2t plus 4f is equal to 90. Alright, so now, if we add this in the red, what happens? -4t plus 2t is going to be -2t, right? -4f plus 4f, 0, gone. We got rid of it. Is equal to -112 plus 90 is going to be -22. Alright, and then the last step would be, we could divide both sides by -2, and we end up with t is equal to +11. So, that was the question. We always double check to make sure that we're answering the right question. It was asking how many 2-seat tables are at the restaurant. We solved that. The answer is 11. So our answer choice is A. Alright, now, I'm not going to work out this other problem. It's pretty much exactly the same as this problem number 2 here. It's question 3. I would love it if you could pause the video, see if you can solve this, and for those of you that are in my class, you have my email. Send me an email if you're stuck. But other than that, good luck.